Okay, here we go. So remember when you're counting your rows, think of your arms going out like you are rowing a boat. The rows are your groups for your multiplication equation. So when you're counting your rows, that is going to be your first factor in your equation. So when I think of an equation to match this array, first I'm going to count my rows, which are my groups, which is my first factor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So as I'm typing my equation to match that array, I can say there are 5 groups of. When I say the word groups of, I type my X for my multiplication symbol. Now I have to say how many are in each group. I can look at my columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. Columns go up and down like they're holding up a building, or you can go to that group and count how many are inside that group. 1, 2, 3, 4 dots are in that row. 4 dots are in that group. So I can double check this next row and see how many dots are in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can say the equation 5 groups of 4 equals 20. And I know that it's 20 because I can skip count 5, 10, 15, 20. Or I can say 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Now I'm going to create an equation for this array. First, I have to say how many groups there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's always good to double check to make sure that they are using the commutative property, but when they are, you can see that the factors are just reversed and you still have the same product. So I'm going to put my text box over here now and type in 4 groups of 5 equals 20. So instead of saying 5 groups of 4, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 groups of 5 equals 20, and 5 groups of 4 equals 20. Each equation matches the array. This is the commutative property because the factors are the same, just in reverse. We've flipped the factors, but we have the same product.